Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at this icon, which is New Layer VP Frozen in all viewports. It says, creates a new layer and freezes it in all existing layout viewports. This button is accessible from the Model tab or the Layout tabs. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it creates a new layer. Because we're so original, we're going to call this yellow circle. Okay, so yellow, we're going to make this yellow. Okay, so we're going to draw a circle, which is going to be on the active layer, which is 0. We're going to select it and we're going to place it on the new layer that we created, which is yellow circle. So what is the difference between this layer and the other layers that were created using this other icon, this other new layer icon? I didn't mean to create this one, so I'm just going to get rid of it. Well, if you take a look here, I don't know if you can see it, and you take out the highlight, you'll notice this is blue here on the new VP Freeze. So what does this mean? And by the way, this can be unchecked or rechecked. But okay, so what does this mean? Let's go to our Layout tab. And let's create a viewport. And just create just a random viewport. Nothing special. Okay, so as you can see, we only see two circles, the blue one and the red one. The yellow one is not shown in this viewport. And that's because this yellow circle here has that VP Freeze. Okay, so if you select inside the viewport, yeah, you can't even select it. It's just frozen. Okay, so what if you made a mistake and you're like, wait a minute, I actually want to see the yellow circle? Or as a matter of fact, okay, in this viewport, oh, I'm fine, okay? We don't need to see the viewport. But what if you have another viewport, right? You have another one, and you're like, but wait a minute, in this viewport, I actually want to see the yellow circle. Okay, so what do I do then? Okay, so what you can do is click inside the viewport, come here, click that button, and now it shows up. Well, that is all, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.